In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. This is a powerful way to visualize your project timeline, track dependencies, and manage your tasks more effectively. Gantt charts are essential for project managers and teams who need a clear view of what's happening when, and ClickUp makes it incredibly easy to set one up. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ClickUp and navigate to your workspace. This is where all your spaces, folders, and lists are organized. Once you're in your workspace, locate and access the folder where you want to create your Gantt chart. This could be a project folder, a client folder, or any organizational structure you've set up in ClickUp. After opening your folder, look at the top of the workspace area. You'll see a plus button that says View. Click on that plus button to add a new view to your folder. ClickUp will now display a list of available view options. From this list, select Gantt. As soon as you select Gantt, ClickUp will automatically generate a Gantt chart view based on the tasks and subtasks within that folder. You'll now see a visual timeline with all your tasks displayed as bars across a calendar grid. You can drag and drop tasks to adjust dates, create dependencies by connecting tasks, and customize the view to fit your project needs. The Gantt view updates in real time, so any changes you make will be reflected immediately for your entire team. This makes it incredibly powerful for project planning and execution. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in ClickUp. It's that simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.